you were in a fender bender and now you're seeing this small British lizard everywhere you go. Been there, done that. Hey guys, I'm about TutsByKai. I'm Kai and today we're back once again. And today we're going to be modernizing one of the oldest and most influential games that's still around today. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Angry Birds. No, I'm joking. I'm kidding. Legend of Zelda. This is an original image from the Legend of Zelda back on the Game Boy. And it's still in black and white, and we're going to take this image and we're going to modernize it a little bit. We're going to just like give my own little flair to it and just see what it would look like if it was made today. So, without further ado, let's get this thing cracking. First thing that I want to do is like make a second layer over top of this and then kind of like trace the parts that I want to get exactly the same, you know? Okay, so that's good. We'll do that. And now I'm gonna take a black brush and we're just gonna go around the yeah like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just get down the exact pixel to pixel borders of this room before we start doing anything at all. And this is like the GUI down here. Yeah, and then we'll move it down a little bit. This isn't like exactly perfect as well because like a lot of it is kind of going to be messed up in scaling translation, but I did my best, you know what I mean? Hey, what do you want from me? I'm not a magician. I'm not Harry Potter. All right, so I'm just basically just going around just doing all the like the bricks and everything. And again, I feel like the reason that I want to do this, like technically I guess you would call this tracing, is because I do want to get it as like literally as close as humanly possible to every single brick by brick. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put all the nice modern flares on there, the nice colors and the beautiful little swoop like that, you know, the little swoop like that ones. Yeah, what, those are perfect. What the, I think the important thing to remember when you're doing like, you know, pixel art, or even if you're like making your own thing, or if you're like, you know, remaking something that already exists, I think the important thing to remember is that you don't have to be super detailed with things. Like I'm looking at this like original Zelda Game Boy map, and it quite literally feels like I'm just looking at like, I mean it is just two colors, but it's literally just black and white. It's just black and white, and it was popular, and it evolved to something insane. Like now we have Breath of the Wild and stuff like that, you know. And back then we just had like black and white Zelda just hanging out in a tavern, or you know, just around in some bushes going hup, you know, that kind of thing. So don't make your stuff too overly detailed. Sometimes simpler is literally better. I say that while I'm modernizing an old original GameCube game, Game Boy game, but I'm not gonna over advance it, you know. We're gonna just add a little bit of touches to it, you know. Also, by the way, these are massively big floorboards. I'm just gonna put it out there. Okay, I seem to have made a few changes in the original composition of the map here itself. You can see I'm doing a little bit of shading already, and I want to go ahead and darken the sides of this like this, you know, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. And we need to get a darker color for up here. Put a little highlight around the edge. There we go. It might be too much on this side, so we might do the lighter. Yeah, I might do this lighter color there on these darker pieces because it's too bright. Yeah, okay, I like that a lot. That's cool. And then we'll get rid of these pieces, and then we'll continue. I want to get down a general idea of where everything's at, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pencil in these items. So at this table here, I'm just gonna put this in so I know where it is. And of course we have the two beds over here. We'll do these exactly how they are. Perfect, just to get the basic idea of where they're meant to be. And then we have this bad boy, this dresser up here. I'm just gonna stretch the circle up a little bit and maybe squeeze it inwards, something like that, so it's a little bit of more of an oval shape. There we go. It looks nice. I like that. And because it's kind of hard to see, I'm just going ahead and making the black lines on the boards. I'm finally shading these bad boys so it's a little easier to see. It's about time. That looks really amazing. There we go. Like I said, all it takes is just a little bit of shading. You know what I mean? Shading is key. I'm gonna go ahead and break up a couple of these boards by kind of messing them up a little bit and maybe pulling this bit up like that, and then kind of like doing something like this, so the board looks like it's sticking up right there. And then we'll do that in a couple of other areas as well, which is a really cool way to make things look like it's a little broken, you know? I like that. That's pretty cool. And then again, like even stuff with these wooden boards through here, I'm just going ahead and making it look like they're a little worn, you know, like a little run down and use. Because if you do every single line super straight, like if I come up here and just like, you know, do something like this, it looks a little, you know, it looks a little manufactured. I'm not saying it looks bad, but I think this looks a lot more natural, a lot cooler when you take a step back and go, wow, look, that looks like wooden boards. All right, I do believe that is all the wooden boards. That looks absolutely amazing. I love it. It looks so cool. All right, so after that, I think I want to get this table done, and I want to start with a different color brown. We're gonna pull the legs down a little bit. Cool. For the crates, I think we'll make the crates the same color, so we'll just go ahead and maybe I'll saturate this actually a little bit. Oh yeah, maybe we'll do that actually. Okay, yeah, I like that a lot better. Okay, yeah. Okay, I just wanted to make it look more rich, you know, and I think we've accomplished that now. So for the top of this crate, we'll do like something like that, and then we'll fill all this in as well, and then we'll go back over it with the little X pattern. I don't know if I like that though, because it's gonna look like that. That's fine. I mean, it could be weirder like that. No way. How do I want to do this? How did they do this? I'm curious. I don't think that's the crate. That's the problem. Oh, they just did the crates with like the stripes. And oh, I see. I don't think I like that. I'm gonna do it like this. Okay, I think I'm gonna just keep the crates really simple like this. And then I wanna have one of them open. Maybe two of them open actually. Okay. Well, I've figured out what I want to put in the green basket crate. It's some sort of vegetable. What kind, we don't know. We're looking into it. I love this. So now for the bookshelf, 3 shelves. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can probably pull that down by 1. Yeah. Okay. There we go. I love it. Looks nice. I think for these, I want to make them 2 different colors. So we'll do the first one. We'll do like a little, whoa, like that. And then just get rid of the edges. And then the colors, which we're going to sell this one. Like, this is going to be primarily like just color work to make it look different. Use the same color brown over here just so it's like consistent. So I'm working on the bed a little bit, and as you can see, I'm gonna need a little bit of a darker. Do I have a darker brown color? I don't think that I do. Okay. There we go. That's the first bed there, and I think I want to have this peek out to be the. This doesn't make sense here though. I have to move that up. Yeah. Okay. There we go. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, nice. All right, so I'm going to make a second one of these. We're just going to move it right there. So we'll just go ahead and boop, boop, and copy it over. But I want to do I want them to be the same color? I might want to change the color. I'm not sure. I could, no, let's just try a red and see how good it looks. So I'll just go ahead and just fill. We could just select everything and hue shift it over. But I want to kind of like choose the colors individually because I want to be able to hue shift them manually like this. Any thoughts? I enjoy that. That's cool. So we got the red and the blue bed. That looks nice. Really cool stuff. What's after that? The vases? I think the vases. Let's do the vases. Now for these, I'm gonna have to do like a really weird oval in the circle shape with the circle and the oval like that. Okay. Do I like that? I don't think that I do. Wait. Potential. There's potential here. Hold on. Nope, not that either. Okay, we're just gonna I'm just gonna take this and then we'll use that. We'll fill that in like that. Yeah. And then how do I shade a vase? Like, what do I want to do here? Okay, I think I've come up with something that I really like here. I just need to be able to get a nice highlight color. That's a little too pinky. All right, that's a little better. All right, there we go. Ooh, wait, maybe. Ooh, okay, wait. That works. That works really well. Oh, I like that. Is it too busy now, though? It might be too busy. There might be too much stuff going on. Do I want to just, like, actually bring this up to the lip of the vase? Like that. I could. Who knows? Alright, so on this one, we will make it seem as if it is closed, and we'll put a lid on it, right? We'll put a little lid on that one. Does that work? I don't know if that really works like I want it to. A little H on there? Sure, why not? But let's just rotate it so it's not an H. It's a whatever that is. An I. That's perfect. Absolutely monumental. Wait, can I do something kind of crazy here? Can I add little legs? Wait, that's perfect. That's actually perfect. Okay, hold on. That fixes that problem. I didn't like the bottom of the vases. Now there's little legs. That's perfect. Little legs so they can stand up. Oh, perfect. I love it. That's big. That's massive. All right, I've moved around a couple of the barrels and I added one down there. I don't think I like this one though, so I want to add one barrel down here, but like tucked up against the corner, kind of like that. Yeah. I also moved the bed, which looks nice. And I got rid of the thing down at the bottom here as well, because I'm not really going to be remaking the GUI. It's just the map itself, you know? Seems as if the last things that we have to do are the 3 little characters that we have here. As you can see, this is Link, a girl, and then for some reason Mario's here. Trying to remember what Link looks like from memory is not necessarily the easiest thing that I can say that I've done. Okay, I think that's a decent start. We'll just get the colors done so I can actually see what the heck is going on around here. Basically what I'm doing is I'm trying to get a feel for the shape that I want to take here with Link. I think it's really coming together. I think there's too much brown here. Doesn't he have like white leg like tights on or something like that? He does. I know that he does. I know he does for a fact. So we're gonna go ahead and do like that. Ooh, there it is. That's Link. Hold on. Okay. I think this is good. I like this. There's some distinctions going on here. I want to change the color of the blue eyes though. Oh yeah, that's better. I gotta shade his hat a little bit. His hat and I need to do the greens. The greens look a little strange, and the reason is because it's just gonna be like, I just want to do like, and then maybe I'll lift it by 1, so it has like room to fit his hair because he has a lot of hair. Yeah. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Sorry. Okay, I love it. That was cool. That was great. I like it. This is cool. That's so cool. I love it. That looks so nice. I do want to do half of a dark black shadow under his feet, though. Like around here. Yeah. So he has like a little bit of shadow under him. Yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah, that works. Perfect. I also want to go ahead and do the same thing with every other object here as well. So do a little shadow there. Put a little shadow on the boxes, just on the corners. Nice. There we go. Okay, so that's Link. I think I might not want to include the other characters because I think it's gonna take away from it. Am I crazy? I might be crazy. I don't know. And there you have it. I hope you, ladies and gentlemen, enjoyed today's video. I had a lot of fun making this one. It took me a good hour and a half-ish. But yeah, if you want to see me do more of these, give me a comment down below. Let me know what you want me to modernize next time. We could do something like Metroid. We can do something like, you know, Mario. We can do anything. Just let me know, and I will do it next time. Hope you, ladies and gentlemen, enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. But until then, bye-bye.